Hi friends, one of the interesting aspect of the population interaction is the concept of sexual decide and pseudocopulation, which is also one of the population interaction that takes place in the organisms. So now the Mediterranean orchid Ophrys, it employs this orchid flower. It has a sexual decide to get pollination done by a particular species of bee. One of the petals of this Ophrys flower, it bears an uncanny resemblance to the female of the bee, not only in size, color, and markings. So the male bee is attracted to the petal, which looks like a female insect, and it perceives it to be a female, and in the process, it mates. And this mating or copulation process is false copulation or pseudo copulation with the flower. And during this process, the orchid flower does its pollen grain on the male bee. So when this same bee pseudo copulates with another orchid flower, it transfers pollen to it, and thus it is bringing about the pollination. So the sexual decide is employed by this Mediterranean orchid Ophrys. So the coevolution operates here. If the female bee's color patterns change even slightly during evolution, pollination of these orchids Ophrys will be reduced unless the orchid flower also co-evolves to maintain the resemblance of its petals to that of this female bee. So that is one of the co-evolution that helps in this sexual decide and pseudo-copulation that takes place. Here you can see the bee undergoing pseudo-copulation with the flower, where one of the petal looks exactly like that of a female, and it is undergoing pseudo copulation or false copulation. So you can notice this insect which is undergoing pseudo copulation. So that ends our topics on the population interaction. Thank you. If you have loved watching this video and enjoyed learning, so like and share this video, subscribe for the video. The link for the video is www.youtube.com /c/biology tutor NEET. Like and subscribe for the channel. Thank you.